Have you ever dreamed of becoming the CEO of your own business? If you have, then keep listening because I am going to be telling you about one of the most useful tools out there that can help you start your own business empire. Plus, I'll be sharing other helpful tips. Stick around and by the end of this video, you'd have all the knowledge you need to start your little business. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Do you know what a print-on-demand business is? If you don't, then let me give you a little bit of an idea because this is what we are going to be focusing on today. A print-on-demand business is, in simple terms, follows the business model that items will only be printed when there is an order. Like for example, you're selling t-shirts with a 2-pack shakur design, and when someone places an order for one of these t-shirts, then that's the only time you print this shirt. That's why it's called print on demand, because you only make them when someone buys them. One of the biggest benefits of this business is that you don't need to maintain an inventory. You don't need to worry about unsold stocks or oversupplying. You don't have to resort to declining markdown sales to get rid of excesses in your inventory. You can control your supplies and you can be flexible with it. So now that you know a little bit about print-on-demand businesses, the question becomes, how can I start my own print-on-demand business? Give me a second and I will tell you exactly how you can do it. But first, are you subscribed to our channel yet? If you're not, now is the time to click that subscribe button. We're always sharing practical money-making tips on this channel, and we would hate for you to miss out on any of these. And while you're at it, give that notification bell a ring as well, so you'll be updated whenever we have new uploads. But for now, let's go back to the video. So the question was, how do you start your own print-on-demand business? And the answer is right on the internet, and it's actually one of the most useful and helpful websites out there right now, shineon.com. If you haven't heard of it yet, then consider yourself lucky to be listening to this video now because this website will be your partner in starting your own business. If you go to their website, you'll be taken to this homepage. If you scroll through this, you'll find that shineon.com works on the premise of selling personalized gift products. Scroll down a little bit more and you'll find that their top selling products which are personalized are jewelry, necklaces, and watches. Scroll further down and you'll find this little bit here, which I know will make you very, very excited. ShineOn not only pays you to sell, but every time they release a new product, the first 1,000 units of this are given 100% free to ShineOn sellers. As a seller, you therefore get 100% margin on the products because you just enjoyed a 0% base cost. And ShineOn guarantees that you won't find this on any other platform. More than that, ShineOn can help you create your own products. Hence, the print-on-demand business I was telling you about earlier. I'll be telling you more about it in a second. But first, how do you like the video so far? Does it get your gears running and excited for the prospects of starting your own business? Let us know your thoughts by leaving us a comment in the comment section below. It's always a pleasure to hear from you. So back to the video. Now let's focus on getting you started. In creating your own products, ShineOn works in 4 easy steps. First, you have to upload your own design, and after you've created your own designs, you can go to step 2, which is to drive traffic to ShineOn's high-converting landing pages. And then once your orders start coming in, you move to step 3, which is where ShineOn creates your product and then ships them. And then step 4, profit. The good thing about ShineOn is that it does everything for you, from bringing your ideas to life to receiving the orders and to shipping them. ShineOn literally does everything for you, And the better thing about this platform is it pays you 60% to 70% commission per sale. So not only do they do everything for you, they also give you a hefty commission in the process. So start by creating your own account. To do this, click on the Get Started button and register your seller account. Next, if you have a Shopify or an Etsy store, you can connect these to your ShineOn account. Don't worry, this is just to direct traffic, If you don't have one, you can create an account, or if you don't want to, click on the Selling Somewhere Else button below and you will find yourself in this dashboard. Before we continue though, we're almost at the end of the video, and if you're enjoying this one so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because we're uploading helpful money-making videos, so be sure you're updated. So you now find yourself in the dashboard. Click on the Create Product button and you will find these suggestions. Or click on the Top Sellers button on the left-hand side of the dashboard and you will find these products which ShineOn guarantees are the fastest to sell. These are their top sellers and you can pick from any of these choices and customize their designs and messages to make them completely your own. You'll have to upload your own designs. You can use any design application you want. But personally, I use Canva because of the very user-friendly interface. It's very easy to use and all you have to do is download the app onto our phone or computer, you're good to go. So create your design on Canva or whatever design app you choose. Download the design into your phone or computer, go back to the ShineOn app and then upload your design. ShineOn then places your product into their catalog. And like I previously mentioned, you can also direct traffic into ShineOn via connecting your existing shops on Shopify or Etsy to promote your product even more. There is a Learn More button on the left-hand side of their dashboard, and if you click that, you'll find a Quick Start button. Here you'll find a set of frequently asked questions as well as a live chat where you can talk to an agent and ask all the questions you want to ask. As to how you get paid whenever a customer orders from your Etsy or Shopify shop, the payment goes directly to your account on these platforms. When the order is automatically sent to ShineOn, they just deduct the base cost for the production of your item plus the shipping. These are taken by the payment details you set up on your ShineOn account. And then finally, you're left with the profit. All very simple, right? You're in control minus all the hassle. So did you guys find this video helpful? Do you think you'll be unleashing all your creative juices anytime soon and giving ShineOn a try? Let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any suggestions for our next video, let us know and we'll try our best to deliver. Also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. So until next time, good luck and see you in our next video.